Really nice rose gold case. We have a combination of a brush and high polish finish here. Very beautiful moon face dial. So here's the our outer box for this VC. It's our inner box. Very nice. Pretty heavy. We have some nice bubble wrap on top. Always love seeing the bubble wrap on top. Looks like we got some kind of rose gold. Oh, very nice. Start with a nice pillow roll here. So this beautiful blue leather strap here. The really nice rose gold buckle. Really nice rose gold case. We have a combination of a brush and high polish finish here. Very beautiful moon face dial. Let's go and remove it from the pillow. So we have a nice brush finish here on our rose gold at the bottom of the case with a nice high polish finish on the outside. And a very gorgeous high polish finish on our bezel right there. Looking really nice. Move over to the bottom left. We have some nice high polish finish on the side, as well as the brush finish on top. Here's our case side. Really nice high polish finish throughout. It's really nice. Here's the top left. We have a nice high polish finish on the side with that brush finish on top. Here's our top of the case. We have a nice brush finish on top with a high polished edge. Clean. And then here's our top right. We have a nice high polish finish on the side, brush finish on top. And we have this really nice crown side here with our VC logo on the crown. And here's our bottom right. We have a nice high polish finish on the side, brush finish on top. Here's our buckle one more time. It's really clean, but open this up. Here's the inside of our clasp. It's really, really nice. Nice high polish and brush finish on the inside there. Here is our case back. We have a beautiful exhibition case back. Looks absolutely beautiful. Next, let's go over the functions of the watch. So we do have a lot of functions here. Like I said, we have this pusher tool where we're going to have to make sure everything is working properly. So first things first is we're going to unscrew our crown. There might be a pull-out crown, so let's go ahead and pull it out. And we're going to set this watch to 6:30. Okay, so the bottom pusher is the moon face. And that moves ever so slightly with each click. Let's try the bottom left pusher. This is going to affect our day. Let's see if there's any set documents with this watch. The one thing about VC boxes is they're always tricky. They're always very sneaky about all these extra compartments, which is kind of funny. So we have a hang tag. We have some additional straps here. So here is our warranty card. Looks like we have our manual right here, as well as some kind of certificate. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.